everyone. Today on Stacy's Country Cooking, I'm going to be making some veggie bites, and I'm going to be using these Pillsbury crescent rolls, but you can use any kind of crescent rolls that you would like. The veggie bites are so delicious. And you can add whatever kind of veggies that you like. I think I might ought to spray that first. I'm going to spray the cookie sheet, that way it'll make sure it comes off good. And then you just press it on here in the pan. Then we'll bake these. Okay, now it's ready to put into the oven. I'm gonna let it bake at 350 for about 5 minutes, and I'll check it to see how it's doing. Okay, now I've got 2 packages of cream cheese in this bowl. I'm gonna add about 6 ounces of sour cream to it. Now I've got a package of Hidden Valley Ranch mix, the dry mix. I'm gonna add this to it. And also some garlic powder. Okay, now it's ready to spread on the crescent rolls. Now I gotta get my veggies chopped up. Okay, this is what it looks like when it comes out the oven. You don't want to get it real brown. You want it to be done, but not real brown. That way it doesn't dry out. Okay, and then you want to add the ranch dressing mixture. Just want to spread it really good. Okay, now I want to do the broccoli. I got the broccoli chopped up really fine. Just kind of sprinkle it all around. See how pretty that is on that white? Then you want to do the cauliflower. Make sure it goes all the way to the edge. Now I've got my diced bell peppers. I got red and orange. The colors will really pop. Even them out. Look how pretty. And now I got some shredded cheddar cheese that I'm gonna put on top. Just kind of sprinkle it around. I get this finely shredded. After you do that, then you just take your hands and you just kind of mash everything down into the cream cheese mixture to make sure it's down in there good. Okay, there's your veggie pizza or your veggie bites, whatever you want to call them. They are so good and delicious and perfect for appetizers. Now I'm going to cut them into little pieces, show you what that looks like. Okay, now I have some of this cream cheese and ranch and sour cream mixture left. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of buttermilk to it. I'm going to make a veggie dip. Just a little bit, and then it'll thin it out enough to make you some dip for your vegetables. You make your veggie tray and then put this in the middle. There you go. Now that's ready for your dip. Put that in a fancy bowl and serve it with your vegetables. Here's my veggie bites or veggie pizza, whatever you would like to call them. I have cut them into desired pieces and put them on a platter. These are for a get-together we are having for Team Wax Offroad YouTube. I hope we have a good turnout for it. Thanks everybody for joining my channel this year and subscribing. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Thank you all so much. And I hope everyone has a safe and healthy, happy new year.